today's video, I'm going to show you how to confirm subscribers on ConvertKit, ensuring every new sign-up is verified and ready to receive your emails. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to convertkit.com. Log into your account or register if you haven't done so yet. Once you're on your dashboard, locate the landing pages and forms section. This is where all subscriber activity happens. Next, open the settings for the form or landing page you want to manage. Under the incentive email section, toggle on the option to send incentive email. This ensures that anyone who signs up receives a confirmation email automatically. Now, click Edit Email Contents to customize your confirmation email. Make sure your subject line is clear and engaging. In the body, explain why your content is valuable and instruct subscribers to click the confirmation link. Add a clear button or link that says Confirm Subscription and feel free to style the email to match your brand. You can also redirect subscribers to a custom thank you page after they confirm, providing an extra opportunity to engage them with a message or resources. And that's it. By following these steps, your subscribers will be properly confirmed, helping you build a verified and engaged audience. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more ConvertKit tips and tutorials.